Hello everyone. The disconnection between markets and the real economy is quite surprising. While we are seeing that macroeconomic data, jobs reports, industrial production, consumption, etc., are much weaker than what many initially expected. And at the same time, we are seeing that consensus is bringing down estimates of GDP growth for 2020 and 2021. Markets are going up. It is interesting this because what it shows is that the action of central banks is creating another very aggressive reaction from investors. Investors are buying into equities. Investors are looking to ignore 2020 and its long-term implications and think about 2021 as a recovery year. Massive central bank injections plus lower interest rates lead investors to take more risk. And also because there are hopes of a vaccine as well as data coming from China, industrial production, oil demand, that seem to suggest that China is recovering quickly. But those two, industrial production and the level of oil demand, but what they basically show is that yes, some activity is coming back, but is it selling? Is it selling to its customers, or are they building inventories? We need to think a lot about the long-term ramifications and the massive implications of this crisis, because we may fall into the trap of believing that 2020 is a lost year, and that what we need to think about is 2021 and valuations, whether they're attractive or not, without understanding at least that maybe consumption is not going to come back as aggressively as expected. That the reality is that it's going to be very difficult for economies to recover as quickly as markets demand, and that it's even more difficult for companies to recover the levels of profits, margins, cash flow, balance sheet, and dividends that they were discounting before the crisis. As such, caution is definitely warranted. Have a good day. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your comments below, and continue with this dialogue. Please join the conversation and keep defending freedom. Thank you very much.